Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm gonna do a video walkthrough of our 2025 23LSB. This is a 23-foot Bennington. This has the silver paneling. We did the blackout railing on it. And then coming on down the side of this is the swing back, so you can see this nice big layout back here. Big open area to hang out, equipped with a ski tow bar and a 200 Mercury V6 motor. We're gonna go up the really cool lily pad ladder and show you the inside of the boat. All right, we're in the inside of the boat. This has great, nice, long bench seats in the front, lots of space, really roomy up front on this 23LSB. Coming along here, we'll show you the helm. It's got an elevated helm, and this boat is equipped with some great features. It's got the Rockford Fosgate stereo. It has RGB lighting package, and it has a nice sim rad in the dash. Over here you got the L-shaped seating layout, table, inlaid speakers with the 80% cutout, so you can put stuff in there. It does have a 10-foot cover bimini with also the black railings, and then the swing back layout. Awesome boat, lots of fun to have this boat on the lake. Come on out to MarineMax, check this boat out. It'll be on our website, and you can always call us at 864-236-9005.